Jacob Clack, and I'm a radiologic technologist.
Radiologic technologists, also known as rad techs, use x-rays and other tools of diagnostic imagery to create images of internal organs, bones, and tissue. If you've ever broken a bone or had an ultrasound, you were likely helped by a rad tech. Want to get the inside scoop on a patient's issue? Follow this career path.
The thing that makes radiology interesting is that it's doing with the full skeletal system. You have multiple different modalities that can see different levels. General radiology, you're basically seeing the skeletal system, but then you get an MRI where you're starting to see more soft tissue, CTs, ultrasound, almost an endless level of things that you can kind of dig into to kind of help with diagnoses and prognosis and things of that nature.
You can become a rad tech by completing a 2-year radiologic technology program at your local community college. Upon completion, you will take a national certification exam to become certified. You can choose to advance in this career by specializing in computer tomography, MRI, ultrasound, nuclear medicine, or radiation therapy.
I went to a local community college where I got my degree, and then that connected me to a lot of the local hospitals, and then that can lead to job opportunities through that.
The most common locations where radiology technicians work are hospitals, outpatient care centers, and physicians' offices. Your time on the clock can vary from 36 to 40 hours a week. It all depends on what setting you choose. The average salary across the state is $49,880 per year.
If you're a clinic rad tech, usually those are kind of like a Monday through Friday job. You'll do a lot of the general x-rays, like chest x-rays and extremities, skull work, sinuses. That's kind of a pretty common one in the family practice. Depends on the field you go into, because you can do everything from a clinic tech Monday through Friday to a hospital tech who's usually working a 7 on, 7 off. So you'd work 7 days in a row, 7A to 7P. And then be off for 7 days, which has its benefits and then it has its downsides. You could also do travel tech, where you're going to a certain city and working for an allotted time, doing a job for a hospital, and then move on to the next one.
RTs are very hands-on with patients and deal with different people, different scenarios, and imaging procedures every day. This task-oriented job will definitely keep you on your toes.
I would say if science or math are one of your strong suits, this would be a great program for you, because math is a big part of x-ray. There's a lot of technical factors that go into taking x-rays, and you have to be able to compute those and get the right dosage when you're taking an x-ray.